Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to cast the screen of your Mac to your Samsung TV without a cable. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to cast a certain screen or part of your Mac onto your Samsung Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now the way to do this is that you have to keep in mind that only certain browsers actually allow you to cast the web page onto your Samsung Smart TV. So YouTube is an example of one of them, in which you can cast YouTube onto your Samsung Smart TV. In order to do this, you need to make sure that your Mac and your Samsung Smart TV are on the same Wi-Fi. Next, go into your Chrome browser and then click on these three dots on the upper right hand side, and then scroll down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share, and then click on Cast. Once you click on Cast, you should see the name of your Samsung Smart TV. So as you can see right here, this right here is the name of my Samsung Smart TV. So if I click on this, you'll see that now my Samsung Smart TV is now starting to load. So if you give it a couple of seconds, it's now going to link my Samsung Smart TV to my Mac without using a cable. So right now we have a video playing, and as you can see here, there's even a notification that says that it's playing on my Samsung Smart TV. So if I pause it on the screen here, what's actually going to happen is that it's actually going to pause it on my Samsung Smart TV as well. And then let's actually test this out. If I use my Samsung Smart TV remote and click on play, it's actually going to play on my Mac as well. So again, just things to keep in mind, not all browsers are going to allow you to screencast your Mac to your Samsung Smart TV. And examples of browsers will be like if you actually click on the cast button earlier, how I showed you, like this button right over here, and then click on cast, you'll see that you actually get a notification that says casting is not allowed on the specific web browser. But that is essentially how to cast your Mac screen onto your Samsung Smart TV without using a cable. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.